Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. So I've got this in the mail today and you can see it's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm really excited. I've seen their sneak peeks on Instagram and Facebook for BoxyCharm, but I'm really excited to see what I got today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I've got my trusty keys to open my box. All right, I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like whenever you first open the box. So it comes with this little card that tells you like the theme, and this month's theme is all access. And then it tells you about each individual product on this side, and it gives you like the name, details about it, and the MSRP. So I'm not gonna look at this right now because I wanna see what I got first. So I can already see there's some brushes right here. I'm super excited. So I got the Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit brushes. So look at those. They're black and white. They're really pretty. So it gives you like the little picture of each one on the back. Next, I'm seeing MAC, and I'm just getting so excited. So this is a MAC Frost lipstick, and it says this is in the shade CB96. So let's see what that looks like. I love MAC products so much. So I'm very, very excited about this. Uh-oh. All right, this is it, cute little lipstick. And oh my gosh, look how pretty. It's kind of like an orangey coral color. Huh, let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells like frosting. I guess that's why it's called frosted. What the heck, that's so crazy. I feel like I'm about to eat a cupcake when I'm putting this on. So you can see, it's like a really pretty, it's got a little bit of an orange tint to it, but it's not like super orange. And it's got like, it's like a pretty coral color. It's kind of similar to my nail polish. My nail polish is like brighter orange, but I really like it. That's really pretty. Next up, this is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. And this is a really pretty, it's like a rose gold. It's so pretty. And then this next product is Dr. Brandt. So this is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So I will definitely use this tonight, and I'll probably show you guys in the morning like what it looks like and how I feel about it. But let's see, let's go ahead and open it up. Aw, it's just this cute little squeeze tube. If you can tell the color. I don't know why, but it's got a little thing on it. Let's take that off. I don't know why, but when I use like sleeping masks and stuff, I'm always like, oh, what color is it? Like, I just always am curious. Okay, so it's like a clear whitish color. So not too exciting, but if it works well, that's all that matters. All right, and the last item in today's box, I'm so excited. I got the Violet Voss Essentials palette. So I've seen this on Instagram and Facebook when they did the little sneak peeks on BoxyCharm's pages. But I just know that in person it's going to be so much better. So let's check it out. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys. So let me get rid of that because that's unnecessary. So this is so pretty. You guys, they've got some like glitter colors in here and some matte shades. And this green is called Emerald. I think that's going to be so pretty on. I cannot wait to try this out. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm probably going to use this tomorrow as well. I'm probably going to just, in the morning, do a tutorial and use everything that I got here. I'll use the highlighter. I'll use this shadow palette. And I'll use the brushes that I got to do my shadow. And then I'll go ahead and do that mask on my face tonight so that you guys can see what it looks like. I just love it. I don't think that I've ever been disappointed by BoxyCharm. And I don't really know that they ever really could disappoint me. There have definitely been products that weren't my favorite, but they never disappointed me and never made me regret purchasing the box. And they were definitely worth the value that worth what I pay for BoxyCharm. Even if they weren't my favorite, paying $21 plus tax and getting all of these products is just ridiculous. Like, I don't know how they do it, but I'm glad they do. So in just a little bit, I will show y'all when I put this sleeping mask on, and then we will fast forward to the morning and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I wake up, and I'll go ahead and do my full face with the new eyeshadow palette I got and everything. So see you guys later. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently because this is a hydrating mask, so I'm not going to use my moisturizer. So I'm just going to remove my makeup, make sure my face is nice and clean, and then use this mask. So let's get started. So first I'm going to use these Equate Beauty Nighttime Soothing Makeup Removing Wipes. Alright, so my face is good and clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. That's a lot. And it's just clear. Well, I guess it is a little like white, not really clear. I don't really like the way this smells very much. But it feels really nice on my skin. Like, I do really like the way it feels. And I do think that it's going to work well. I'm just not a fan of the scent. Alright, so as you can see, like, I layered it on pretty good, so you can see it pretty well on my face. So now I'm just going to go to bed, and then in the morning we'll see how clean and hydrated and nice my skin feels. And I'll go ahead and do a tutorial with all of my BoxyCharm makeup that I just received. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey there, I'm back. So my skin is super smooth, super soft. I feel like it's really bright, and not just because of the lighting, but it's like minus this mountain on my face. It's super awesome. Like, I love this product, and I'll definitely be using it. It says on the back to use it nightly. I'll definitely be doing that, which I'm kind of like, I'm super happy that I like the product, obviously, but I just got a new moisturizer that I really like, so I'm like, maybe I'll like swap them. Maybe I'll do like one every other night. I don't know, we'll see. Then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Dusty Rose color right here with the Moda brush shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that into my crease. These colors are really pretty. They're super pigmented. Very excited about the pigmentation of these colors, and the colors are just so pretty themselves. Like, I feel like this is a true like essentials palette. Like, you have every essential color that you need. Bam! Alright, now we're gonna go in with the shade Pink, which is not a matte shade, as you can see. It's a shimmer shade, and I'm gonna use that on my lid. To do that, I'm going to use the Smudger brush from Moda. Also, I know I'm not using these brushes for what they say they're for, but I just know how I like to use my brushes. So if you are watching this and you want to follow it, just use your brushes however you like to use them. This is what works best for me. I do have, obviously my eyes are a little hooded, so I do my makeup a little differently. So you can see it's a shimmer, and it's really pretty. Like, I love that shade. I'm gonna go ahead and pack some more on here just to make it a little bit darker, because it is a fairly light shade. And I like the look of having your crease matte and your lid shimmery. I know that's like a personal preference thing, but I really like it. Alright, and then I'm going to go back in with the Dusty Rose and the same shade brush, and I'm going to go in on my lower lash line and just kind of buff that out a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Moda Detail brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Cream, and I'm going to use that on my inner corners. Then I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to highlight under my brows with the same shade and go like a little bit on my lower lash line to meet Dusty Rose in the middle. Alright, now I'm going to do my brows. Brows are done, and I went ahead and highlighted under my brow with the shade Cream using the Detail brush from Moda. So we are finished with shadow. Alright, blush is done. Let's move on to highlight. We're going to use the Laura Geller highlight that I received in my BoxyCharm. I'm going to use my Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. And this is really pretty, so it's like a rose gold, such a warm highlight, which I really like. Bright highlights are pretty, but since I am so pale, I just feel like bright highlights are maybe not the best option for me. I used to have a rainbow highlight that I used from Ulta, and once I really started like getting into doing my makeup and like makeup tutorials, I suddenly realized that that is not the highlight I need. So now I have like more warmer, like I have a gold one that I use from Maybelline, and then I just got this one, and I have Hardest Pro Glow, which I love, and that's a really like warm highlight. Highlight is done. Ooh, that is really nice. I like it. I really need to get some brighter lights. Sorry, guys. So now we're gonna head and go on to lips, which we're going to be using this MAC frosted lipstick in the shade CB96. This is what it looks like. So it's kind of like an orangey shade on the in the stick, but then when you put it on, it's not really like that. I don't know how to explain it. It like morphs. Y'all, this smells so good. Like, it seriously smells like frosting. I want to go buy a can of frosting, open it, and just eat the whole thing because it smells so freaking good. Like, I could really eat some cake right now. All right, now I'm going to go in with this Revlon Super Lustrous in the shade Supernatural. It's going to darken this up just a little bit because I do like this, but for this look, I just feel like it needs to be a little darker. All right, so here is today's look. Let me go ahead and take my hair down. Today's look. Bye, guys. See you next time. Mwah.